Okay, 95, again, some people look at this and say, oh, it looks like a big problem. And I hope it's not, though. I hope they're going, as advertised in sort of like an easy, methodical way. What's nice about this problem, though, it's pre-factored for me. If that were not pre-factored for me, I'd have an additional problem of having to factor that. But they say this is equal to 3 separate fractions. It makes sense because I see 3 linear factors, by the way. Plus b, no repetition either. And then c over x minus 5. I go multiply both sides by the LCD. I'll write that down for you. The LCD is x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 5. Well, if you multiply the left side by the LCD, you get 3x minus 5. The right side would be a. Then you would get x minus 3, x minus 5. Then you get b, x minus 1, x minus 5. And then you get c, g, I have to jam that in there, right? X minus 1, x minus 3. All right, this is my technique for, I should say my technique, the technique for finding the a, b, and the c. And what's that technique depend on? Picking easy numbers, and numbers that are so easy that they make things disappear. Well, I'm going to pick x equals 1. It's easy, and it makes 2 of the terms on the right side disappear. What do you get? On the left side, if x is 1, you get minus 2. On the right side, if you pick 1, you would get minus 2 times minus 4, which is going to be 8a. Let me just make sure I did that right. Minus 1 plus minus 3 is minus 2, and 1 plus minus 5 is minus 4. So that would be, minus 2 times minus 4 is 8. The other 2 terms disappear, by the way. Do I know what a is? I do. What's a going to be? A is going to be, let's see, minus 2/8, which is minus 1/4. I'm going to get my eraser out. I'm going to erase this over here. That's the a, and I'll write this down for you. Minus 1/4. All right? Certainly I know the number. At least, when I say I know the number, I believe I know the number. I could make a mistake, certainly. Let's pick another easy number. And I'm going to pick x to be, I'm going to say 3. It's easy, and things disappear. And what do you get? You would get 9 minus 5, which is 4. That's on the left side. On the right side, the first term disappears, and the last term disappears if x is 3. But then you're going to get this b thing here. What do you get? You can get 2 times minus 2, so it's minus 4. Well, what's the b going to be? Minus 1. All right, let's pick another easy number. I'm going to say 5. Reason is it's easy to compute with it, and 2 things disappear. You can get 15 minus 5, which is 10, on the left side. On the right side, the first 2 terms disappear, and then I'm left with the c. I chose 5, right? So 5 minus 1 is 4, and 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. All right, before I commit this, I want to make sure I did that right. 4, oh, I made a mistake. I'm glad I stopped. So it's 4 times 2. Oh, no, I did right. It's 8. Sorry about that. I decided to measure 8. Let's write this down. What's c going to be? Wow, 10/8, right? What's 10/8? 5/4. All right, I think I'm ready to commit myself to these 3 answers. Before I do it, though, I want to kind of erase these, the b. The b is minus 1. And I'm going to erase the c now. 5/4. All right, I'm going to get the key now, see how I did. And I want to look at it. It's kind of complicated, but I'll do that. And let's see, do I have this, the 5/4? I do. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm seeing that. Do I see the minus 1? I'm seeing it. And do I see the minus 1/4? I'm seeing it. Everything is done. It's working as advertised. Thank you.